if you're experiencing crashes while playing Fortnite, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Follow this guide to help improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Update your graphics drivers. Make sure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers for your graphics card. Step 2. Verify game files. Open the Epic Games launcher, navigate to your library, click on the three dots next to Fortnite, and select Verify. This process will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them. Step 3. Lower in-game settings. Launch Fortnite and go to the Settings menu. Lower the graphics settings, such as resolution and effects, to reduce the load on your system, which can help prevent crashes. Step 4. Check for background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using system resources. This includes web browsers, streaming software, or any other programs that could interfere with Fortnite. Step 5. Reinstall Fortnite. If the previous steps do not resolve the issue, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Fortnite. This can help fix any persistent issues that may be causing the game to crash. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce or eliminate the crashing issues in Fortnite. Enjoy your gaming.